So in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to make your Facebook page popular. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to open your Facebook. Okay guys, once you're there, you click on your three icon up here, that's on the profile, yeah, up here. So after that, you click on what? Menu. So once you get there, you scroll down, you simply click on control and access. You click on it. Okay guys, so after that you are going to see publish page. This is temporary, so for you to make it visible to everybody on Facebook, you simply need to enable this option, the second option. So after that, you click on what? Continue. Are you sure you want to publish this page? You can unpublish it at any time you want. So we're going to click on what? Confirm. So we're going to refresh. So guys, that's actually the way you make your Facebook page publicly. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.